Hello friends, welcome to my channel Spice and Story. Today I am here with a mouth-watering sweet treat called Nuts and Gunder Sukhdi, Junagadi style. This item is reminiscence of my childhood. When I felt like having something sweet in my childhood, my mom used to quickly make this for me or something like this. That's why I call it Junagadi style.
You will need the followings to make this sukhadi. 2 cups 100% whole wheat flour, 2 cups shredded gur, 2 cups ghee, 6 tablespoon gunder, 6 tablespoon dry coconut chin, 1 cup nuts, cashew, almonds, magastari, also known as watermelon seeds, walnuts, pecans, whatever you have, 2 teaspoon sumph, 1 teaspoon gunthoda, 1 teaspoon cardamom. Now let us get on to making sukhadi. First, lightly roast nuts with 1 teaspoon of ghee in a pan. Let it cool to room temperature. Add 1 teaspoon sugar. Grind in a grinder to rough powder. Semi-crush the gunder in a mortar. Heat 1 cup of ghee in a pan. Add 2 cups of wheat flour and mix. Be sure to keep the heat at medium to low. Set timer to 10 minutes. It is important to roast the flour for this time. Otherwise, it will stay undercooked or over-roasted and becomes darker. Keep stirring the mixture. Meanwhile, line a 12-inch by 12-inch roasting pan with wax paper. Keep stirring the mixture. Add more ghee if needed. Here is before and after color of the roasted flour. When 1 minute left in timer, add gunder to the mixture. Remove the pan from heat. Add remaining ingredients. Add gur and remaining ghee. Mix very thoroughly, making sure that the gur is completely mixed with everything. Transfer the mixture to wax paper lined pan. Press it with any heavy object. Smooth out the edges with a flat edge. Decorate with cashew and pistachio. Let it cool 30 minutes. Make cutting marks with a flat tool. Let the sukhadi cool to room temperature. Redo the cutting marks for smooth removal. Remove sukhadi pieces from the pan. Enjoy your sukhadi.
Hello? Yeah. There you go. Oh, look at that. Nice. Isn't that great? Yummy. So there you have it, Nuts and Gunder Sukhdi Junagadi style. Thank you for visiting my channel. If you like this recipe, please subscribe and like my channel. Until next time, goodbye and aujo.